Mathematics class 12 chapter 8 application of integrals. Area between the curves. A is equal to integral a to b fx dx minus integral a to b gx dx, where fx is greater than equal to gx. These are the two curves. Okay, this is y is equal to fx and y is equal to gx. The intersection point is x equal to a and x equal to b is this one. Okay, and we have to find this area. Then for how we find integral of this curve minus integral of this curve between the two limit x equal to a and x equal to b, that is this formula. Now using this we'll solve exercise 8.2. Question number 1, find area of a circle 4x square plus 4y square is equal to 9, which is interior to parabola x square is equal to 4y. This is the equation of the parabola x square equal to 4y, and this is the curve. This is the circle, this circle. Okay, now we have to solve this and we have to find this intersection point first. See, this area you have to find, just like this it is. Here it is like this and this is, so this one and this one. So this is what we have to find. So solving x square plus equal to 4y and 4x square plus 4y square is equal to 9. So put x square is equal to 4y here. So 4 into 4y plus 4y square minus 9 equal to 0. 4 into 4 16y plus 4y square minus 9 equal to 0. Okay, write in the proper order. So 4y square plus 16y minus 9 equal to 0. Split the middle term, so we get 4y square plus 18y minus 2y minus 9 equal to 0. From here 2y common, 2y plus 9. Here minus 1 common, 2y plus 9 equal to 0. 2y minus 9 equal to 0 and 2y plus 9 equal to 0. Okay, I have equated here. From here y value gives you 1 by 2 and from here y value is minus 9 by 2. We have to find the x coordinate, so we put both the values of y in the equation of the parabola, that is this one, x square is equal to 4y. Putting y is equal to 1 by 2 in x square equal to 4, instead of y 1 by 2. So to cut by 2 you get 2. Take a square root, so plus or minus root 2. Put y is equal to minus 9 by 2. So x square is equal to 4 minus 9 by 2, cut by 2 minus 18. But this is x square is equal to minus 18, so it is not a real number. It will be imaginary number, so we neglect. So the points are root 2 1 by 2 and minus root 2 1 by 2. So this point is root 2 1 by 2 and this is minus root 2 1 by 2. So I will take this circle, equation of the circle as the fx, okay, here, and equation of the parabola I will take as a gx. Between them I have to take the difference and I will get this area. Here fx is equal to equation of a circle 4y square is equal to 9 minus 4x square, and gx is equal to equation of parabola x square by 4 is equal to y. Okay, from here I can write y square is equal to 1 by 4 9 minus 4x, so it should be in terms of y. Okay, if I take square root it will be 1 by 2 square root of 9 minus 4x square. Okay, so this one is we have to make in terms of y is equal to, okay, and this also y is equal to. Area between the curve a is equal to 2 times. Why 2 times? Because these are the one. Okay, it is 2 times and I am going to take from x equal to 0 to here, that is x is equal to root 2. So 2 times integral 0 to root 2 1 by 2, that is square root of 1 by 4. Square root of 9 minus 4x square minus this y. Okay, this one, that is x square by 2. So sorry, x square by 4. So x square by 4 dx. 9 can be written as 3 square and 4x square can be written as 2x square minus x square by 4. Now this is like a square minus x square. Okay, this identity I am going to use, this identity. Square root of a square minus x square dx gives you x by 2, square root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sin inverse x by a. Here a is 3, okay, and x is 2x, so let us use that. So here I am using 2. Okay, these 2, 1 by 2 is here, then x by 2x, here x is 2x, right, here 2x, so 2x by 2, coefficient of x is 2, that is I have to divide by 2. Then 3 square minus 4x square plus a square, that is 3 square by 2, coefficient of 2 here, sin inverse x by a, so 2x by 3 minus this integral x cube by 3 and this 4. Okay, now let us put upper limit and the lower limit, and this 1 by 2 I am multiplying here. So 1 2 cut, instead of x you put root 2 first, so root 2 2 into 2. Here 3 square is 9, here also root 2 square is 2, 2 into 4 is 8, plus 3 square is 9, 2 2 4, and this 2 you are multiplying, okay, so 2 here. Sin inverse, here instead of x you put root 2, so 2 root 2 by 3 minus instead of x root 2 cube by 2 in 4 into 3, and when you put 0 this will be 0, this will be 0, this will be 0, so only 0. Okay, here 2 also I am multiplying, so this 2 and 2 cut, here remains root 2, and here 9 minus 1, 9 minus 8 is 1, 1 square root is 1, plus 9 by 4, these 2 multiply, so 2 cut, so 9 by 4 sin inverse 2 root 2 by 3 minus root 2 3 power 3 is 2 root 2. Okay, and these 2 I am multiplying, so 2 here and 4 into 3 Here you cut root 3 by 2, here root 2 by 2. Okay, so I am taking LCM for these two, which is 6. So I multiply here by 3 and here by 2. So here 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2 by 6, and this I am writing as it is, plus 9 by 4 sine inverse 2 root 2 by 3. This gives you root 2 by 6 plus 9 by 4 sine inverse 2 root 2 by 3. So that is the answer for question number 1. Question number 2, find area bounded by curve x minus 1 whole square plus y square is equal to 1 and x square plus y square is equal to 1. So for this, the center is 1 0. For this, center is 0 0. Okay, so this is the figure. This curve, or this is the circle whose center is 1 0. Radius for both is 1, and this is the circle whose center is 0 0, and this is the area you have to find. So first I'll find this intersection point. Okay, so let us solve the equation, both the equation. So from here I'll put y square is equal to 1 minus x square in this, okay, instead of y square. Solving the equation of the circle x minus 1 whole square plus y square is equal to 1. So instead of y square I'll put this, okay, and I am expanding this a minus b whole square, so x square minus 2x plus 1, and instead of y square 1 minus x square plus x square minus cut 1 plus 1. 1 over here, 1 here, so cut. So here remains minus 2x plus 1. Okay, and then when you transfer here, it becomes minus 1. Both are negative, so cancel. So x value you get 1 by 2. So this which is intersecting is x equal to 1 by 2. This is at the center. This is x equal to 0, and this is the radius. So it is x equal to 1. Okay, or this is at the center for the second circle is 1 0. So this point is 1. So this line is 1. So I have to do now this plus this, okay, from 0 to 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 1, and it is 2 times because upper and down, okay, here and here. So these 2 times. A is equal to 2 integral 0 to 1 by 2 square root of 1 minus x minus 1 whole square. Okay, from this equation y value, and from this equation also y value. So plus 2 times integral 1 by 2 to 1 square root of 1 minus x square. Again I am using the same formula which I have written here. Okay, so I am using directly x minus 2 is there. From both I have this 2, both 2 I have taken out. Okay, so here x minus 1 by 2 square root of 1 minus x minus 1 whole square plus 1 by 2 sine inverse x minus 1 0 to 1 by 2 plus x by 2 square root of 1 minus x square plus 1 by 2 sine inverse x 1 to 1 by 2. So first upper limit here. Okay, so I am putting here 1 by 2 minus 1 divided by 2. Okay, into square root of 1 minus instead of x 1 by 2 minus 1 whole square plus 1 by 2 sine inverse instead of x 1 by 2 minus 1. Now put 0. When you put 0 here, 0 minus 1 square is plus 1. So this value becomes 0. Okay, put here 0. So when you put here 0, 0 minus 1 means minus 1. But it will be minus here. So minus 1 by 2 sine inverse minus 1. Plus, now for this, apply the upper limit. When I apply upper limit, this value will be 0 because 1 minus 1 is 0. Okay, when you apply here, 1 by 2 sine inverse 1 here. Okay, now put 1 by 2. So 1 by 2, that is 1 by 2 into 2 is 1 by 4. Here also put, so square root of 1 minus 1 by 2 whole square here. Then put here. So 1 by 2 sine inverse 1 by 2 here instead of x. Okay, let us simplify it further. So 2 here, 2, 1, take LCM, minus 2 plus 1 gives you minus 1 by 2, which that 2 you bring here, so 4. And here 1 minus, take LCM, so 1 minus 2 is minus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 2, here take LCM, so minus 1 by 2. Okay, plus here, see this minus, we use the inverse trigonometric property, and that's why this minus will come here and add up here. Okay, so plus 1 by 2 sine inverse 1 here as it is. This is minus 1, and this, when you take LCM, 1 by 4. Okay, 1 by 4 minus 1 is root 3 by 2. I am taking out of the square root also. And this one I am just writing, but this 1 by 2 can be written as sine pi by 6. Okay, sine inverse sine will cut. Here sine inverse 1 and sine inverse 1 will be given as sine pi by 2. Okay, sine pi by 2 value is 1. So here pi by 2, here pi by 2 value. Okay, so let us go ahead. Minus 1 by 4. Here 1 by 4, take LCM, 3 minus 1 is root 4 minus 1 is 3, and square root of 3 is root 3, and this 4 take out of the square root gives you 2. Plus here minus is there, so sine inverse minus 1 by 2 will be minus pi by 6. Plus this one I already said pi by 2, this is also pi by 2, this is as it is. I am multiplying 4 into 8, and this is 1 by 2 pi by 6. So here root 3 by 8 minus pi 6 into 2 12 plus pi by 4 plus pi by 4 root 3 by 8 minus pi by 12. Okay, let these two are common, I mean similar terms, so you add up. Minus root 2 minus root 3 minus root 3 minus 2 root 3 by 8, pi by 2, 2 pi by 12, this one 2 pi by 4. Okay, and I'm keeping this now, cutting here, cutting here, cutting here, so you get here minus root 3 by 4 minus pi by 6 plus pi by 2. These two also multiply. Before multiplying, you take LCM here and simplify because they are pi terms. Okay, this you keep as it is. Minus root 3 by 4, 6 into 2, 12. So here 2 and here 2 and here 6. But I am writing positive term first. So 6 pi minus 2 pi by 12. Okay, then multiply here. So minus 2 root 3 by 4 and 6 minus 2 gives you 4 pi. And these two you multiply by 12. Okay, here you cut minus root 3 by 2. Here you cut 2 pi by 3. So that is the answer for question number 2. Question number 3. Find area of region bounded by y is equal to x square plus 2, y is equal to x equal to 0 and x equal to 3. So here this is parabola, okay, but this parabola origin is not the vertex. The vertex is 0, 2, okay, because of plus 2 here. So it is starting from not the origin but from here. So this is the one. This is the parabola. This is the line y is equal to x. This is x equal to 0 and this is x equal to 3. So this is the region you have to find. So what we'll do, equation of the curve, that is parabola, minus equation of the line. Okay, and limit will be 0 to 3. So I am writing directly area bounded by the curve a is equal to integral 0 to 3 x square plus 2. Okay, that is this one. Okay, y is equal to x square plus 2 minus 0 to 3 the equation of the line, that is x dx. Okay, limit is same, so I am directly writing the same limit together. Here x cube by 3, integral of 2 is 2x minus x square by 2. Upper limit will put first, and when you put lower limit it will become 0. So I am putting only upper limit. So here 3 cube by 3 plus 2 into 3 minus 3 square by 2. When you put 0, 0, 0. Okay, 3 cube and 3, 1 3 curves, so 3 square, which gives you 9. 2 into 3 is 6 and 3 square is 9 by 2. 9 plus 6 is 15. 9 by 2, take LCM 30 minus 9 by 2, so 21 by 2 square unit. Okay, so that is the answer for question number 3. Question number 4. Using integral, find area of a region bounded by a triangle whose vertices are minus 1, 0, 1, 3, 3, 2. Okay, so see, I have drawn here the triangle. This is A, B, C. Now I have to find the equation of the sides of this triangle. Okay, so we are going to use the 2-point form. Okay, I have written here equation of a line joining x1 y1 and x2 y2 is y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, x minus x1. Okay, so now first let us find for this line, then this line, then this line. So equation of AB is equal to y minus 0. Okay, when I am finding AB, so I take this y1 y2 x1 y1, okay, and x2 y2. So I'll put in this equation y minus 0 equal to 3 minus 0, 1 minus minus 1, x minus minus 1. Okay, so this gives you y, 3 minus minus plus, so 3 by 2, here x plus 1. Okay, now equation of BC same way for this line. Okay, so you put y minus 3 equal to 2 minus 3, 3 minus 1, x minus 1, which gives you 2 minus 3 is minus 1, 3 minus 1 is 2, and this plus, minus 3 transfer here plus 3, this x minus 1 as it is. Then equation of this AC, so you take this x1 y1, x2 y2. So y minus 2 equal to 0 minus 2 minus 1 minus 3, same formula I am using, x minus 3. Okay, then minus 2 transfer here plus 2, and minus 2 and minus 4, so gives you 1 by 2 x minus 3 plus 2. Okay, now here how you will find, see, now this is, I will divide into two integrals. One is area of this plus area of this. Okay, so these two area. So for this I'll take limit x equal to 1 to 1, and for this 1 to 3. Okay, the x coordinate I am taking minus 1, here 1, here 3. Okay, this area is this line minus this curve, and this area is this curve minus this curve. Okay, so AB minus AC, and here BC minus AC curve. Area of the bounded region, integral minus 1 to 1 AB line minus integral minus 1 to 1 AC line plus integral 1 to 3 BC line minus integral 1 to 3 AC line. Okay, let us put the equation which we have found here. So 3 by 2 x plus 1 dx minus integral minus 1 to 1 1 by 2 x minus 3 plus 2 dx plus integral 1 to 3 minus 1 by 2 x minus 1 plus 3 dx minus integral 1 to 3 1 by 2 x minus 3 plus 2 dx. Okay, let us integrate. So here 3 by 2 as it is, x square by 2, here 1 is x minus 1 to 1, plus minus 1 by 2, x integral is x square by 2, and 3 is 3x, plus this 2 is 2x minus 1 to 1, plus minus 1 by 2, integral of x is x square by 2, this 1 is x, and plus 3x 1 to 3. minus 1 by 2, x is x square by 2 minus 3x plus 2 is 2x, 1, 2, 3. Now let us put the upper limit and minus the lower limit. So here 3 by 2 as it is, instead of x, first upper limit 1 and then minus 1. So 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 1 by 2 plus and plus minus, but again minus is there, so plus 1. Okay, here also first you apply the upper limit, so 1 by 2. Then here also 3 into 1, 3. Then minus limit minus 1. So minus 1 square is 1 by 2 minus 3 into minus 1 is minus 3, but again minus is there. Okay, so minus 3. Then here x square, na? So here x square also apply 3 limits. So sorry, then this 2x I am applying here. I am so sorry, this remaining. This was once you apply there, this minus is a minus 2 into 1 is minus 2. Okay, then minus and minus plus, but again minus 1 you put, so minus 2. Okay, now this one minus 1 by 2, apply the upper limit, 3 square by 2 minus 3, then apply the lower limit here, 1 by 2 plus 1. Now apply for these 3x, upper limit 3, that is here 3 into 3, and apply the lower limit, that is 1. Okay, minus. Now for this part, so 1 by 2 as it is, instead of x, put upper limit 3 square by 2 into minus 3 into 3 minus now 1. So 1 by 2 minus plus 3 into 1, 3. Minus here 2 into 3 plus 2 into 1. Okay, so that is the applying the limit, which gives you 3 minus 1 by 2 minus 6 minus 4 minus 1 by 2 9 by 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 2 plus 9 minus 3 minus 1 by 2 9 by 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 6 plus 2. Okay, if you look here now you will get it. Okay, see here this 1 by 2 comes, so 1 plus 1 2 and 2 comes, so remains 3. Okay, here minus 3 gives you minus 6 and 1 by 2 comes. Okay, minus 2 gives you 4. Okay, here 3 square is 9 by 2 minus 1 by 2 and minus 3 plus 1 gives you minus 2, and here minus 1 by 2 is there. Okay, that is what I have written. 3 into 3 9, this also 3, 1 by 2 9 by 2 minus 9 minus 1 by 2 plus 3, this is 6 and this is 2. Okay, that is what I have written here. Okay, I have written directly. Then when you simplify, 3 plus 3 minus 4 minus 1 by 2 into 2 plus 6 minus 1 by 2 into minus 2 minus 4. When you simplify, you will get answer 4. Okay, you can just check it yourself. Question number 5. Using integral, find area of triangle whose sides are y is equal to 2x plus 1, y is equal to 3x plus 1, x equal to 4. Call this as 1, this as 2, this as 3. Now you have to find the point of intersection of the 3 lines. Okay, so I am solving for 1 and 2 first. So since both are y, I'll equate these two values. Okay, so 3x plus 1 equal to 2x plus 1, which gives you 1 cut. So 3x minus 2x equal to 0. So x value is 0. If I put this x value is 0 here, I'll get y value also. If I put x 0, y is equal to 1. Okay, both, any one. Now put x is equal to 4 in 1 and in 2. So when you put here 4, you get 2 into 4 is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9. So y value 9 when x is equal to 4. Then you put here 9, 3 into 4, 12 plus 1, 13. So y is equal to 13. So intersection of 1 and 2, 0, 1. Intersection of 2 and 3, 4, 13. Intersection of 1 and 3, 4, 9. See, this is the figure. Okay, this figure I have drawn now. This is the intersection of this 1 and 2, that is 0, 1. This intersection of 1 and 3. Okay, and this is intersection of 2 and 3, this one. Okay, so these are the points. So now here this is same line, so what I have to do is the area, this I have to find, right? So this area minus this, this integral of the line divide minus this line. Okay, integral of this line, and limit I will take from x is equal to 0 to x is equal to 4. Okay, so I have written directly area of triangle equal to integral 0 to 4 line AB minus line AC dx. Okay, line AB minus AC, and this one 3x plus 1, this is 2x plus 1. Put the value 3x plus 1 minus 2x minus 1 minus 1 plus 1 cut, 3x minus 2x gives you x. Integral this to x square by 2. Put the limit, that is 4 square 16 by 2. When you put 0, it is 0. Cut by 2, so 8 square per unit. So that is the answer for question number 5. Question number 6 and 7 is you have to choose the correct option. Question 6. Smaller area enclosed by circle x square plus y square equal to 0 and line x plus y is equal to 2 is. So this is the circle. Its radius will be 2 because it is 4. Okay, x square plus y square is equal to 4, so radius is 2 and center is 0 0, so origin, so this is 2, this is 2. Okay, and this is a line x plus y is equal to 2. So this intersection point of these two is, one is this one and one is this one. Okay, so here I'll take x equal to 0 and this is x equal to 2. Solving the equation, So let us put the value of, from here let us put the value of y in this equation. Okay, so x square plus y is equal to 4. I'll put y value from here, so 2 minus x will come. So 2 minus x whole square equal to 4. X square as it is, expand this using a minus b whole square. 4 minus 4x plus x square is equal to 4. 4 and 4 cut, x square plus x square is 2x, minus 4x equal to 0. Take 2x common, x minus 2 equal to 0. So this value gives you 0, and from here you get x equal to 2. Okay, these are the points. Area of the shaded region, A is equal to integral 0 to 2 integral 4 minus x square dx minus 2 minus x dx. Okay, this area of the circle minus area of the line. Okay, area of equation of the circle minus equation of the line. Okay, that is what I have written here. And this one again use the same identity. Okay, so I am using here x by 2 square root of 4 minus x square plus a square by 2, that is 4 by 2 sin inverse x by 2, minus this integral 2 is 2x and x is x square by 2, here minus, so this becomes plus 0 to 2. When you put 0 na, limit will be 0, so only you have to put 2, but when you put 2 this cancels, so here 2 by 2, here cut by 2, so 2 sin inverse 2 by 2 minus 2 into 2 4 plus 2 square by 2, so 2 1 cut. Sin inverse 1 is pi by 2, so 2 2 cut, so here pi, here minus 4, here plus 2, which gives you minus 2. So here pi minus 2, that is option B is the correct answer. Number 7, area lying between y square is equal to 4x and y is equal to 2x. So this is parabola, y is equal to 4x, and this is the line y is equal to 2x. So this intersection point of line and the parabola is x equal to 0 and x equal to 1. Solving the two equation of the curve, so let us put this y is equal to 2x here. So 2xy is equal to 4. 2xy means 4xy minus 4. Take 4x common, x minus y equal to 0. That means x equal to 0 and x equal to 1. Okay, I have written already in the figure. Area of the shaded region, this part minus the line. Okay, parabola minus equation of the line. Integral 0 to 1. So parabola will be y is equal to 2 root x. Okay, and the equation of the line is 2x equal dx. And this is negative, minus. This is x power 1 by 2. Integral is x power 1 by 2 plus 1, which gives you 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2. Minus 2x square by 2. Integral is x square by 2. These two take up, so 4 by 3. X power 3 by 2, and these two took us, so x square 0 to 1. When you put 0, it will be 0 0. Put limit, upper limit, then 1 and 1. So 4 by 3 into 1 power 3 by 2 minus 1. Okay, 1 square is 1. 1 power 3 by 2 is also 1. So we get 4 by 3 minus 1. Take LCM. 4 minus 3 by 3 equal to 1 by 3. So that is the answer, and the option is B. So it is the answer for question number 7. We'll keep this much. Thank you very much.